Here I have HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after the screen turns on you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option safe mode. And after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.